Breaking news. A wind-stoked wildfire has ignited in the OTAY mountain area situated near the U.S.-Mexico border in San Diego. The fire, which erupted on Thursday afternoon, has rapidly spread across steep, rugged terrain, covering an estimated 566 acres in a short period. The cause of the fire remains unknown, adding another layer of mystery to the unfolding drama. As the blaze continues to burn with unfettered fury, ground and airborne crews have been deployed to contain the flames. This includes air tankers and water-dropping helicopters, all working in unison to battle this fiery beast. This fire, aptly named Border 2, has demonstrated a dangerous rate of spread, with the potential to consume up to 500 acres. In response to the escalating situation, evacuations were ordered, a stark reminder of the very real threat posed by wildfires. However, these orders were later lifted, providing a small reprieve for those affected. In a somewhat surprising turn of events, there are currently no structural threats associated with this wildfire. Despite the ferocity of the flames, containment remains at 0%, a testament to the challenging conditions faced by our brave firefighters. This incident is not isolated. Multiple fires broke out in San Diego County on the same day, including one near UCSD, which charred an acre, prompting evacuations in the area. High winds also affected the Farmers Insurance Open Golf Tournament, and a small fire was reported in Mission Valley. However, firefighters are gaining control of these blazes, and there is no immediate threat to residents. This is a moment of relief amidst the turmoil, as the situation appears to be coming under control. As we continue to monitor this developing story, we are reminded of the power of nature and the resilience of those who stand in its path. The wildfire in OTAY mountain area is a testament to the unpredictable nature of our world and the unyielding spirit of those who strive to protect it. This has been an update on the wind-stoked wildfire in the OTAY mountain area. Stay safe, stay informed, and as always, stay resilient.